Hi, welcome back. Aurum here. This is so as you guys see from the last video that the connection out, and I have an option after that. I record again once the connection on. So well, it will be easier if I told you guys inside. Anyway, let's do a bit of recap. So last time we begin exploring in the Temple of Space. We meet with Historia, who talk about something. One of them is Hilda, which at that moment, Lynn have some, Hilda, who is this? Is this my sister? Basically, Historia asked us to deal with something. I believe this is Melanta or something, the name. That he told in next scene about the two steward, Nihilita and Melanta, I think. And we have some discussion with Historia, Historia about the whole, what about we, make Lynn go back. But then he said, if you want to help you, then you're gonna help us. I have a small favor, which is rescuing his friend who located in different area, which we gonna go. Yes, I said different area because I already have more. I have more scene after that. So after the video got cut, where we saw the scene with Hilda and Historia talking in the past, I said, so I have I don't know how many minutes I made a video up until it was disappear. I don't know what happened. The recording just stopped. I didn't realize the recording stopped. So, or maybe I didn't click play. I don't remember which one. Anyway, my point is, after we stopped in that last video, the scene continue. So we talk about that with Hilda and Lynn suitcase, because we talk about the relic thing. Lynn suitcase, which technically have Hilda memory in it, got stolen by this keeper, which they put this in a different area, and then what happened after that is, after we found one of the suitcase, after we found the suitcase itself, as you can see, I'm in different area. After we found one of the suitcase, over here, I think. No, over here. We have different location that we will visit. 3 location: the chamber, the South Pavilion, and Luyang Academy. So I decided to go to Luyang Academy first, and then we do some stuff here. The whole deal, the whole thing with finding. Enter this area, go in, and enter this finding, which I'm currently in. We meet with a character called Dawzi, who told us the same thing. Can you beat something, blah blah blah, which I assume this is related to Melanta. And after that, we just dealing and explore this area, the whole painting, a mini game and stuff. The one we actually saw in the live stream, the whole painting thing. And then just before this scene, we meet Mikey, the one we saw in the beginning, where we encounter him when we open the map, open the statue of Shapen. But eventually that is not Mikey, but something else, which I expect as much, because when we talk to him, there's some glitching when he said safe place. This is a safe place, or blah blah blah. Follow me or something, and then we deal with the puzzle related to black ink. I don't know what black ink mean, and we end up here, this area. That's basically what happened in that video, which was lost now. I don't know what happened. And currently we on this subquest, the one in Luyang Academy, Long Live Life. That's the name. And then yes, the name of the chain quest changed from something mountain to paradise. I don't know. I think we're still in the same chain quest. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. That's what happened after the video cut, not after the connection out. And then I start this area, the Yolang Academy, which is not recorded. I think I didn't press play, but okay, sure. Oh, I remember. Daozie, the one who we meet, talk about Azdaha, talk about a few anecdote. The whole thing with Reklapis creating thing from stone to life, become living, you know. The whole thing with, yeah, and you know, Zhongli stuff. And also we found the thing, we found one of the Lin suitcase item, which is a painting of Hilda in front of Wang Shuin, but only Hilda head showing up in that scene, just similar to what happened with the gravestone, the tombstone, which only showing Hilda. I think this is a hint about the outfit. I saw Hilda outfit in a flashback, which is different compared to Lin. Lin wearing a skirt, Hilda is wearing a pant. But I feel like because we only have two photo of Hilda, which exactly look like Lin, but they only showing head, so I assume something. That's basically what I'm saying is that's a hint of the outfit. What if Hilda and Lin is the same person? I don't know. Maybe a sibling, maybe a twin, maybe a I don't know. We will see. Anyway, let's continue. Let's continue. So we're gonna go to this thing. So our goal here is to release this area. So this area is sealed, I guess, in the painting by Melanta, and our goal is to move this area back to the the Temple of Space, because as you can see it's cloudy now currently. Anyway, let's do that. I think we're gonna use that thing. I don't think we're gonna enter this area. Yep, I don't think so. I still don't know if I record before, because I remember I record, but apparently not. I don't know what happened, but hopefully it's not happening again, because that's kinda problem. I mean, the footage is gone, but I still have the memory. Oh, the painting again. So yeah, this is the Fazal, I think. Oh, this is teleport. This one is teleport. Yes, Daozi. This is the name of the character we met. Oh, what? Okay, what's wrong with the rendering? Yes, there's something happened, by the way. Daozi in there is a black ink chasing me. Yes, fake Esser, which is the real name of Maukie, the one we meet in front of the Statue of Shepherd. Melanta working behind the curtain. Name or nothing into the strength of number. Strength of number. Foreshadowing. Technology, digital. How do you know about Mauki was Oh, how would he know that Mauki was a nickname that Asher grandfather and father gave him in his childhood? Okay, so that's how we learned this Mauki. Okay, what can we see the painting by Asher? Messing with space is a grave issue around here. Yeah, I want to see his work as well, Paimon. We will, I guess. I don't know if it's in. I don't know if this is. I don't know the painting in the main story, in this story world quest, or maybe if we explore. Which means I don't know if it will be on the camera, on video or not. Okay, so Kano is this? Should I know Kano? Maybe. Okay, we're gonna reach that main location. On instead, start reaching out the Heavenly Heart. Yeah, they mentioned something. Heavenly Heart, blah blah blah, and the four corner, blah blah. I don't remember the name of the painting. Anyway. Adding feet to a dragon and dotting the eye out of the dragon. I'm saying concerning dragon. What do you mean? I don't. I mean, yeah, dotting the eye and then feet. It's not the same, obviously. Look, the star. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. There is this giant star outside Luwing Academy. Over there, look at that. I still don't know what that is, but Paimon call it dim star. And the painting also consists of the star itself. So this is the painting of this area, I guess. Okay, somehow the scenery change. Ooh, what the cloud? Are. I cannot move. Okay, it's loading screen. Planetary. Okay, so what is this? We saw this from afar in front of Joyoung Academy. Are we in different location? Oh no, we are still in you can see from. Never mind. We're looking at that this section, but if you look at the minimap, that area is outside of Temple of Space. Where are we? Can we?
なかなかいいじゃない。さ、受け取って。
Oh, what is that? But that thing doesn't exist when we over there. What the suddenly appear? What is this? Blocking the thing, blocking the star. Yeah. Yeah, what is that star anyway? The thing gone. Oh, never mind, it's just loading. Oh, it's the painting. I see. Oh, so the star is the top. Oh, this is how it look like before Melanta seal this area. I see. Okay. Even the red, the red thing in the background. Okay, Kano. Bosch. I heard the name Bosch before. I think this is the same Bosch. Yoshitoshi. Yes, I assume because either they're twin or they are the same person or I don't know. Why keep saying older? Older by a second? Yes. Where are they?
両手で抱えきれないなら手伝ってあげるけど。
Okay, so that's our goal. Talk to. Wait, Historia, come here. Mauki go to the mortal world. Akatefat. Okay, space. Okay, okay, so we're gonna visit 3 area, right? This is the first area that I choose to visit because we have again the order there's not really order we can choose which area we want to we want to check. Doesn't need I just choose this area first. So the Desert Pavilion is the other area, which I think I will go next after this. Yes, they also keep talking about messing up with space a few times. So I don't know what. I guess that's what happened with him. That's why he back to Tefat. This melon. Wait a minute, this is an actual melon. Are they right? Are they? It doesn't matter. The two of us used to teach you, the two of us how to draw. How long ago was Hilda in this area? Okay. So what happened to Hilda anyway? This guy didn't really told us what happened to Hilda. I think there's some. Did they mention apathic something? But I don't think that's the. I don't remember. Okay, I see. This painting can paint the nature here. Okay. By the way, Hilda is not her full name. It's Bromhilda or something. I don't remember. Just like late Lynn and we call her Lynn instead. The full name late Lynn. Yes, Hilda. See, Hilda have pants instead of skirt. Yeah, they also mentioned this, the personality of Hilda, and I think this on the video last time. So yeah, Historia, the one who mentioned that Hilda and Lynn personality is a bit different. So how did Hilda end up here in the first place? I still don't know. I thought once you're here, you cannot leave. Unless, you use different method, just like what happened with the thing that Historia told us in the beginning, that we can leave because of the law currently unstable in Temple of Space. Collapse or something, I don't know. Mediocre piece. Oh, that's the name of this quest. Long live life. Long live life. Okay. LLL, triple L. Okay. We don't even know if this location will be forever. I don't know, depending on the Istarot mood, I guess. Yes, I also mentioned the whole thing. I don't know which video I mentioned Istarot involvement, which I think it is because of how this is devoid of time, right? So I guess Istarot have role in the creation of Temple of Space. And if I don't know, again, I don't remember because of what happened last time. The video just disappeared. I don't remember where Historia talk about the other. No, I think that's the beginning. The one when Historia talk about the steward. Yes, that's on the video. The one when the other sister of Asmodee, which is the other shed, visit this area and bring something. I think that happened more than 500 years ago, I assuming. Considering you know, time is not really thing. That's not melon. I mean, it's not watermelon. That's apple. Because I don't think we have melon in the game, if I remember. We have lavender melon, but that's not the same thing as, you know, watermelon. Are we on a... Okay, so, exploration on my own time. Wait, it doesn't look like this. Oh, I see. This all cloudy. This is how it should like without the cloud. Ah, I see. I see. But somehow we're unable to see the other area from here. Yes, Storia. Yeah, and why are you here? Atau yeah, told me that you arrived and you I come along with him. With him? What do you mean with him? Yes, it's the picture of uh, Hilda in front of Wang Shuin, but only her head popping up in the image. A picture, a camera picture. Is it a painting? It's a camera. Yes, it's technology by Fontanian, technically, which is Remorian future. Falling behind by the rival from Zilla sister. You're falling behind. That's because people here focus on visual art. Oh, visual art. So every single area have their own focus. Yes, that makes sense. Philosophy. Remorian. Okay. When getting into the deep, only while we just think about how to look at the everyday thing around us. Yes, I think I also learned about the thing. So Hilda called Historia grandpa, right? That's because of the time. So when Historia explained that he from Remorian before the god exists in Teyvat, basically before Archon a thing for a war, and then Hilda said, "Wah, you older than my great grandpa." So that's why she called him Grandpa Historia. What you said? Most fundamental question of philosophy is whether one should or shouldn't end it all to... What? Okay. Foreshadowing. Allow me to explain in the sense our inquiry into the world is search of a very meaning. Oh, okay, existence, sure. I may echo in the wind of Innos in constant time. Of all that is to remove, how can another person wait? So again, the universe, for most, the world is no more than their own life. If we one day discover that everything is destined to return to nothingness in the far future, would our life now still hold meaning? Or should our life be a shortless sea of suffering to begin with and the world back? Philosophy. In either case, there's some difference between living and not. In the latter, that might be called a release. Okay, sure. Why wouldn't they right? Not with you though. What is it? Okay. Never mind that. I was the one arguing that even if life is inherently meaningless, we should still choose to live it. It seems you haven't heard. I saw my sister Tombstone back in the sanatorium. Yeah, what does that mean? Okay, I guess it is not... Okay, maybe it's not sister then. If Hilda come here, but time work differently in Temple of Space. So if she go back to Teyvat, I assume time... Maybe Hilda is not... Is it actually sister? Maybe it's not sister, or... So I assume it was either sibling or the same person, but I guess because of the whole time work, Hilda could be really the older sister. It's just, I mean, they're siblings, so they look the same when they're the same age, basically. I think Hilda is much older than we think because of the tombstone there, and sanatorium is already abandoned at the time we discovered that. So, or maybe it's not sister, more like grandmother. I don't know. Save her? What do you mean? What written on her epitaph? Okay, we don't even know. One lifetime doesn't count. What? One lifetime doesn't count. What do you mean? Is that what it say? I see. Lin? Okay. Okay. Revelation letter, whatever that is. Huh? Eh? This.
煙のように舞い上がれ
Amidst the ink thin mist. That sun is pointing. Why? What's that? Anyway, I will do that on my own for exploration purpose. So anyway, let's move to the other section. I said I'm gonna go to Desert Pavilion, and let's just do that. What is that? We know Temple Memory Core. So Memory Core is the one where I think I didn't mention this because the video got cut. So after we have that cutscene where we talk about Hilda and Historia in the past, we found this area. Basically, this is where we put the memory factor inside so we can get the compass. But I don't remember that thing over there. What is that? I didn't see that guy. Emberic reconstruction. Yeah, what is? I don't see you. Who are you? Anyway, I think we can. Can we? Yes, we can. Finally, I can get the compass at least. The design. Moon. Star. I never pay attention to the design, but interesting.
良き日々は先を手にして流れゆく村を貸すならどこでブルジョワ
So who are you? Oh, Josephus. So it's a shop. Why do they call you the master of anti-self-termination? Mad problem I pose. The problem goes like this. A group of soldiers refuse to surrender, viewing it as a matter of honor. So they decided to come up with a set of rules to determine who among them would end the humiliation and for whom. So what manner of rule would ensure that one would be the last man standing? Let's me thinking about this. Well, I don't know. Is it mathematical problem? Or yes, are we from the same era as Historia? Yeah, it is. Oh, after. Oh yes, this after Okay, for a reward. Oh, where Angel doesn't. Yeah. Do you know who's the king when of your time? Is it the last king of Remorian, Remus? You don't talk about you're talking about Historian time more than your own. Yeah, what is this? About unknown. Okay, store. That fall out of human memory also lose their meaning. That painting that lose their meaning will also lose their original form. Eventually, all that left is ember. This is only exists inside the Temple of Space, I think. I mean, the memory factor was happen up if the civilization is actually I don't know. If only we had more of this ember, then we might be able to reproduce a thing or two. Reproduce. Is it because of this thing, reconstruction thing? Oh, I see. I wonder what's gonna happen after I do exploration, and then anyway, let's just focus on the second area. Desert Pavilion. Sadly, the first area is not recorded as much because of that the thing that happened. I still don't know what happened, why the recording just gone. It's not the same as what happened before. It just simply the recording disappear. Usually when you screen record, you have the icon and the timer and also pop up in front of the screen. It's not really showing in the recording, but on my screen I can see a recording timer and also a stop button, but the thing disappear when I do the long live life, live whatever. What I'm gonna do again? I didn't read. Something to do with this? Oh, I don't know. It's just normal thing. Oh, what the? Huh? What? Why you move? I heard timer. Why we have timer? Oh, well, I don't know. Actually, what the?
両手で抱えきれないなら
This cube is
手伝ってあげるけど
okay. I don't pay attention. Okay. Anyway, let's go. Just focus on the main story. Exploring will be on my own time. What are you doing here? Ruin something, not ruin guard, it ruin grader, yes. Oh, this thing inside a cube. Currently. Huh. And yes, the reason why I'm using this team because of exploration. The ability to do this is so convenient, I guess. You also learn about this pavilion. I think, well, I don't know if I think it is in the side story. I don't remember when I talk about my next destination. I think in the card content. So Daozi talk about the Desert Pavilion people which like to do stuff with space, which I assume the reason why Melanta seal the one in that painting and also maybe the other area because of they do something with space, which causing the punishment thing. So, but we will see what the people in this pavilion up to, considering the whole thing with space, and also what kind of thing that belong to Hilda we will found in this area, because it's not part of it's one of the cut video that doesn't exist anymore. Our goal, beside having restored this all three area, we also searching Hilda belonging who was inside Lin suitcase,
八重堂か
were
ら出てる
taken
小説
by
は
the
一応
keeper
全部読んで
to
る
each
の。
different location based on the
別に
the
お
object
かしくなんてないでしょ。
inside the suitcase. So I don't know what kind of object. I think related to Hilda in the desert for this one, probably.
手加減なしよ。
どよめく進学か
ドリフト
浮上を焼き尽くすこの天下で裁く悪くない品だ気に入った
How do we enter? Okay. Thank you. Oh, what happened here? This remind me of the thing, the one in Liyue, the salt stuff. So what quest do we have? An official chronicle of the Desert Pavilion. They appear to be a survivor who escaped punishment at the Desert Pavilion. And who is the character? Anemo. I don't have Anemo. Vitruvius. Is this guy from the era of getting discreet? Where are you? I see. Another ability of Dex. Hello, Sumerian. From the age long past, maybe? You have glasses. Future. Well, no, really. Glass was invented long time ago. But anyway. Yes, newcomers still showing up. Well, no, really. We were technically invited by Nihilita. You are a backup. Finivi. Ah, yeah, King District. Yes, you probably see someone that looked like Lynn, called Hilda. From the recent era. We happen to have an old sister by any... Yes, exactly. Hilda. Of course. Everyone... Yeah, they keep saying this. Everyone is friend with everyone. Like, okay. One of the worker plugged into from the sun into the apathic interval where I was for. The sister with S. This is yes, the shed. Oh, okay, I see. Look like a course by Melanta. Let's just see what he say, guys. Yeah, it's Melanta. Yep, the same thing. Like so, in the other one, the painting, they Melanta turn people into painting ghosts, floating ghosts. I don't know what you call it. Oh, what is that? The best one of Quora. Okay. We will get the thing, I think. Yes, they keep saying this. They keep repeating the thing. So this is the third time they're asking the same question. Dozy say the same thing. Historia, they say the same thing. They all probably thinking, can you defeat Melanta? That's basically what they said. I said back then when I heard Dozy say the same thing as Historia, and now Fanny V here say the exact same thing. So yeah, I guess I mean we know that we're gonna face Melanta at the end. There we go again. What? Yeah, why the standard is supposed the Centurion? I wonder. Because of Historia story, maybe. Oh, we go on. Oh, never mind. What are you doing? There's a wall. I wanna. Yes, I'm curious. This is. Oh, I thought we're gonna. We haven't seen a single note, by the way, in this area. Can I talk? Okay, okay. Deeper the keeper. Oh, so we're not gonna attack normally. How? I don't have option. Oh, I need to close. I need to. Okay, sure, interesting. Bravo. High ranking Centurion. Then you have your own. Yes. Why don't you use King District level instead of using Remorian? So same thing with Dozy. Dozy also using. Well, Dozy doesn't use Centurion, but something else, which is still Remorian. I don't remember the name. Okay, this is the area that I will visit last. What do you mean? For instance, the knight served under Erinis would attack Tristan and Remorian. You keep talking about Remorian. I wonder why Remorian is more. Meja, yes. The Crocodile King. This is the whole thing with King District. Well, not really. I mean, you know, the Meja is real from Egypt lore, if you know. I mean, this whole King District technically based on reference. The reference is from, you know, ancient Egypt. Yes. Double it later. Okay, you disappear.
悪くない品だ気に入った
Okay. What are we supposed to do? Oh, just that. It's the elevator. If I destroy... oh, this the elevator over there. I need to... Oh, another one. No, that's the one she told. Okay, so we're gonna defeat this normally without using the stick. I mean, is this keeper? It is keeper, so why we do this differently?
燃えよ
I know.
石煙に葬られよ
And also Sumeru soundtrack, of course. This area Sumeru, this area those area Liyue, and the other one will be Sumeru as well, but forest area. You know what I mean? I do. Dex. So this guy knew Dex, like everyone knew everyone, including Dex. I mean, what Dex is to them, I wonder. Because Nihilita, the one who gave us Dex. They're talking about, yeah, Centaurian, yeah, sure. Oh yeah. I think we got answer from the third area, which is the whole thing with book. Phaeton war in motive from this time. I was the one who sorry, okay. The glasses in that era, which is interesting.
悪くない品だ気に入った
Keeper, we just defeat one keeper cutscene. What, stone? Never mind. Okay, become stone. Patripolis? In Patripolis? Where is that? Vitruvius. I mean, yes, that's the thing. Blah 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 blah. Yeah. Let's just deal with. Okay, this one is the one where we use the mechanic instead of the actual fight. Like, I wonder why. Huh. I still don't understand. Where is Fit? He's gone. What if? Okay, never mind. So we can destroy the thing. Reduce to sand. Is it sand or stone? I don't think sand able to make that form unless it's with water. Yes, my artifact is full. I forgot to stronghold it. I wonder why we have this option for the keeper instead of Defeat the keeper. You're still in the same, yes, unofficial chronicle. It is too far away. Oh. Oh, I don't see this over here.
Yeah.
Kasama? No, it's not Hilda, but okay. I see. Exactly, they look alike. I wonder what this mean. You come from which generation? Oh. Okay, what? What? Huh? Oh, I see. I didn't pay attention. I guess I should probably realize this. Because of what happened with Rukadevata, they assume Rukadevata and Kusanali Devi or Nahida is the same. No, I don't think so. No, never mind. No. What I'm saying is, yes, I'm saying is yes. They assume that Nahida always been the Dendro Archon because of what happened, but I remember when Nahida or no Rukadevata technically absorb, deal with the forbidden knowledge, she become smaller. Basically, that's what happened. So this Shama, I don't know how to say her name. She come from the era where Rukadevata is still big, which is before the forbidden knowledge of King District or something. Thousand of Year. Absurd. What epithet? Yeah, so what is this whole thing with Vitruvius? We're gonna get the answer at the end or something? You also wear glasses, I just realized that. Any idea? We don't need to learn much from the earlier. Huh? Gomorrah? They keep saying this name. Interesting. You're naming, okay, Remorian Tribune, you're just changing the thing again. Okay, sure. Promoted again. Well, we have Dex. Oh, we're gonna go to the main area, leaving this pavilion. I see. Are we actually leaving the area? Because the Yowling Academy,
コレクションに加えよう
the Yulang Academy thing, we deal that whole thing from inside without exiting the area. I think something gonna happen. Yeah, of course. Gomorrah? They use the same. That's that Paimon from Inazuma. Okay, I mean, where everyone and they reuse the asset, the animation for that. Ooh, what? Ooh, eh? Okay, Gomorrah. They just look like the normal keeper. Alright, am I using? Okay. Oh, everyone here. They just doesn't showing the character.
烈日よ
さあ働きなさい。
分け山の地
Oh, Avar's Avian, the leader of the keeper. Atau itu Gomorrah? I guess I'm not Gomorrah. Excuse me. My nose still a thing, by the way. Anyway, wait a second. Oh, it is Gomorrah. Avar's Avian. Oh. Uh-oh.
手加減なしよ。
I forgot to.
さあ働きなさい。
Huh? I see. Oh,
燃えよ
どれ響け学のね悪用の力を思い知りなさい
この天下で裁くせいアクセル全開
手加減なしよ出発ザブザブサメクンアタックわけ山の地
聞け太陽の炎を
uh, uh,
土峰よ契約を果たせ手加減なしよ
oh,
さあ働きなさい
one is gone or not. Interesting. These two area. That's right. Everyone been restored. Where is everyone? We only see the three character we meet. Yeah, the whole thing. Yes, yes, yes. Let's see. What they? Yeah, what is this about Vitruvius? Vitruvius. Um. So what this is about? Who is? Where is? Uh-huh. So, oh yeah, where's Lin? Scarpa? We need to find something related to Hilda here anyway. Ah, it's something. So what is this? A pin? It's no, what's that? Oh, a bronze. Okay. If you wear the bronze, you basically become Hilda. What am I saying? Oh, your sister. Ah. Epitaph then. Oh yeah, the whole thing with live once something something. Oh, so you have earring. That's different. I think I don't see earring. So what the epitaph? I thought the epitaph is. Wait a minute. Because I do this in different order, we already know the epitaph. It was something live once or something. Okay, we got the thing, yes, coin. Yeah, I wonder if we do this in different order, the scene will be different maybe, I don't know. You know, you can coin and forget that. Find what he knows. We're having you because you happen to be here. Well, that's not okay, sure, Paimon. Thank you, yes. Okay, so no, it's because of us, it's because for you. Shut in. I don't think it's. I don't think she drug because of us. Because again, her sister literally somehow important here. I don't give it to you too. Oh, we have some artifact which I cannot pick. Yeah, I still have not found a single note in this area.
はいこれ星々へのステラリーピーチパパ
Just click.
そうよ
Anyway, before we end, let's talk with this guy. I didn't know that you enjoy the preparation. Okay, by the way, I haven't finished World Quest in the desert, so I don't know if I miss some dialogue because of me not finishing the Sumeru Desert chain quest, you know. Oh, they talk about Moki again. Yes, Moki is in Teyvat. And to do with him. Yeah, what did Moki do anyway? And she come in handy. The note, I asked him to bring. What note? Huh? They had this whole thing with Moki and this whole thing with the sister. But yeah, that's all for this video. I'm gonna continue this immediately, but I will do it from different text. Anyway, that's all for this video. Until next time, bye.